Hi, it's Sadie Jane here from Natural Heating, and I want to show you something quite important tonight, and that is paint curing onto a stove. Yeah, this smoke isn't coming from my flue, and it's not coming from inside my stove. It's perfectly normal. It's paint curing onto the surface. It's not always so obvious, but we've got a good demonstration of that tonight. You can see, I'll just flip it. You can see that the paint is tacky on the surface. It's got a bit of a shine to it, yeah, and that is literally just baking onto the surface, and it fumes, and it can be pretty horrible, and in some cases you don't see it. This one, we're seeing it a lot. I've put the lights out next door. I've got it pretty hot, pretty quick, not too fast. It's just sometimes this is what they do. This is a particularly good, or you could say bad, example of paint curing, but it's totally normal. It may set off your smoke alarms and all sorts of things. Of course it would, so it should do. Just ventilate well, open the windows and doors, stay away from it, leave it alone, go out, just let your stove burn out, let the paint bake on, have another fire tomorrow. It may take an hour or two to bake the paint on. Oh, completely normal. You wouldn't think it, but it really truly is. You can see it's gone off more in the middle, and this lighter patch at the front, which has got more of a shine or a sheen to it, has still to bake on. So if this happens to you, don't freak out about it. We've got a lot of people who will contact us and go, help, my stove is leaking, there's smoke everywhere, the flue's not installed correctly. I was just getting this really hot really quick tonight to show you what happens when the paint goes off. So I hope it's helpful and puts your mind at rest when you've just did a new install if this happens and freaks you out a bit.